Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much.
Hi loves! We're going to be starting out with our Huda new Nude palette, and I'm going in with the color Teddy, which is just like a medium red brown, and I'm using this on the outer corner and also blending it a little bit into the middle and up towards the brow bone. I'm going to be using this as my transition shade because we're going to be also going in with the shade Raw, which is a darker red brown, and putting that into the outer corner, further deepening that color. And then I'm going to be pulling a oldie but a goodie, my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to be kind of using this to not so cut the crease, but just to make that yellow really pop. And so I just used a small detail brush to pack this on and kind of blend it out. And then I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil and using that yellow. You guys know how much I love this palette. And I'm just using a flat brush to pack this on. I'm going to be using that bright orange in the BH palette to furthermore blend out the yellow and brown together. So I just pretty much do this until I'm happy with how they are married together. Then I'm going to be going back into the shade Teddy and running that on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then after that, I will be going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and also lining the inner half of my lower lash line and then going in and packing that yellow right back on there. And then I do go ahead and do my mascara and lashes off camera. And then I'm taking my NYX Strobe of Genius palette and taking that more vanilla one to do the bridge of my nose and inner corners. Then I go ahead and take the gold and do my cheekbones, temples, and chin. I did include the faux freckles in here. I just used my Anastasia Dip Brow, the same one I used to fill like my brows in. And I just take the same brush but the tip of the angled brush and kind of dot these on. If you guys want a full-blown tutorial on this, I will make one because I feel like I've gotten really good at the faux freckles and I've truly mastered it. So yeah, if you really want like an in-depth tutorial on how I do this, just let me know. And then for lips, I go in with my Burt's Bees lip gloss in Sunny Day. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It stays shiny because of the gold flecks in it, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But yeah, that is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe to become part of the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.